Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Yogita Bihani has a remarkable presence in the world of Indian fashion, especially when it comes to sari choices that epitomize both grace and boldness. Her sari fashion resonates with a timeless elegance, blending classic Indian aesthetics with contemporary sensibilities. The beauty often opts for a range of colors, from vibrant hues that catch the eye instantly to muted tones that exude sophistication. She experiments with different types of fabrics as well, including chiffon, silk, and georgette, each enhancing her style in unique ways. One memorable look featured her in a deep red silk sari with bold zari detailing, paired with a traditional blouse and elegant jewelry. This ensemble not only highlighted her love for traditional attire but also her ability to carry heavily adorned pieces with ease and poise. Another noteworthy aspect of her sari style is her skillful play with textures and patterns. She has been spotted in delicate floral prints that are perfect for a soft, feminine look, contrasted with bolder geometric prints that add a modern edge. Her choice of blouses further elevates her sari looks, ranging from intricate embroidered designs to minimalist sleeveless cuts, showing her versatility and willingness to explore various style elements. The beauty also pays great attention to accessorizing, often opting for statement pieces like chandelier earrings, chunky bangles, or even subtle chokers, which perfectly complement the aesthetic of her saris. She balances her makeup and hair to match the mood of her outfit, whether it's a low bun for a regal look or loose waves that add a relaxed vibe. Beyond her sari choices, she also inspires with her ability to embrace the essence of Indian culture while adding a modern twist. Each sari look she chooses brings out her radiant personality and offers a refreshing take on traditional Indian attire. Her confident demeanor, combined with her thoughtful styling, makes her one of the emerging icons in sari fashion, setting trends that many young women admire and emulate. Whether at public events, photo shoots, or casual outings, her sari ensembles are always a perfect blend of elegance, tradition, and innovation, making her a true fashion inspiration. Her love for experimenting with draping styles showcases her innovative approach to this traditional attire. She has been seen sporting everything from the traditional navy drape to more modern takes like the belt sari, where she cinches her sari with a slim belt at the waist, adding a structured and chic element to her look. This style doesn't just accentuate her figure but also transforms the sari into a versatile outfit that's suitable for events that call for a modern yet traditional touch. Another striking feature of her sari fashion is her color palette, which ranges from soft pastels to rich jewel tones, showing her understanding of colors that complement her skin tone and enhance her natural beauty. She opted for a pastel peach sari with delicate silver embroidery, paired with a matching blouse with sheer sleeves. This choice reflected her soft, feminine side and was perfectly suited for a summer occasion, exuding a sense of freshness and elegance. She's also turned heads in deep emerald green and midnight blue saris, which add a mysterious, bold vibe that showcases her adaptability to different fashion moods. She sari choices often include intricate blouses that stand as fashion statements on their own. She frequently selects blouses with elaborate back designs, such as crisscross laces, tassels, or deep cuts, adding a hint of allure without detracting from the sari's sophistication. Her use of sheer fabrics and lace in blouses adds a contemporary twist, making her looks fashionable yet culturally rooted. She has an eye for detail, often matching her blouse designs with the border or pallu of the sari, achieving a cohesive, well-thought-out ensemble that feels both balanced and striking. Her styling of accessories and makeup is equally noteworthy, as it completes her sari looks with finesse. She often leans towards earthy and neutral makeup tones, letting her sari shine as the focal point of her look. Her choice of accessories varies from grand statement jewelry for festive occasions to delicate pearls and diamond studs for a more subtle look. She paired a classic white sari with minimal silver jewelry, focusing on soft, dewy makeup that created an ethereal, angelic effect. This approach highlights her understanding of how to balance opulence with restraint, making each look feel sophisticated rather than overwhelming. Her sari style serves as a perfect example of how traditional Indian attire can be adapted for the modern era without losing its charm. Her thoughtful selection of fabrics, colors, and accessories reflects her dedication to creating a cohesive and impactful look. Whether she is gracing a formal event, a festive gathering, or an everyday outing, her sari looks continue to resonate with women who see her as a blend of modern sophistication and timeless beauty. Yogita Bihani's lehenga fashion choices are a vibrant reflection of her exquisite taste and her ability to balance traditional aesthetics with a contemporary flair. Known for her versatility, the beauty often gravitates towards lehengas that carry a story through intricate details, luxurious fabrics, and impeccable craftsmanship. Her selection encompasses a variety of styles, from heavily embroidered lehengas suitable for grand weddings to lighter, breezy options perfect for festive celebrations. She often opts for rich fabrics like silk, velvet, and brocade, which add an element of regality to her looks, while her use of flowing chiffons and georgettes brings a sense of softness and grace. One of her most captivating looks featured a deep maroon velvet lehenga adorned with traditional Zardozi work in gold, paired with a heavily embellished blouse and a net dupatta draped elegantly over her shoulder. This ensemble not only showcased her appreciation for classic Indian artistry but also highlighted her ability to carry bold, statement-making outfits with an effortless elegance. Her lehenga palette is as diverse as it is striking. She often experiments with a variety of colors, stepping beyond traditional reds and pinks to explore pastels, metallics, and vibrant jewel tones. In one stunning photoshoot, she wore a pastel lavender lehenga with delicate floral embroidery, creating a dreamy, ethereal look that was both modern and romantic. In another look, she opted for an emerald green lehenga with a contemporary crop top style blouse, showcasing her willingness to mix traditional attire with Western influences. This ensemble stood out not just for its unconventional color but also for its minimalist approach, proving that simplicity can be just as impactful as embellishment. Her color choices reflect her understanding of how to play with different moods. Whether she's embracing earthy tones for a rustic appeal or opting for metallics that exude a high fashion vibe, her looks are always on point. Blouses are a crucial element in her lehenga ensembles, as they allow her to experiment with various silhouettes and designs. She's known to wear everything from full-sleeved, high-neck blouses that lend a royal touch to sleeveless or off-shoulder styles that add a hint of contemporary boldness. One of her memorable blouse choices was a backless choli with intricate mirror work, paired with a vibrant blue lehenga. The open back design, coupled with shimmering mirrors, made the outfit perfect for a celebratory occasion while showcasing her confidence and fashion-forward mindset. She has also explored corset-style blouses and crop tops with lehengas, bringing a modern, trendy twist to her otherwise traditional looks. Each blouse is carefully chosen not just to complement the lehenga but to make a statement of its own, whether through embroidery, cut, or fabric choice. For heavily embroidered lehengas, she might wear a choker and statement earrings, allowing the jewelry to harmonize with the richness of the fabric and embroidery. For lighter, pastel-colored lehengas, she opts for subtle pieces like delicate maan tikkas or layered necklaces that add elegance without detracting from the simplicity of the outfit. She has also been known to incorporate contemporary jewelry, such as diamond studs and minimalist bracelets, into her ensembles, showcasing her flexibility in mixing classic and modern styles to suit each look's unique vibe. Her lehenga looks are not only about clothing and accessories but also about the entire styling process, which includes her choice of hairstyles and makeup. She often goes for loose curls or romantic updos that add softness to her look, giving her an ethereal quality that complements her lehenga choices. And if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.